Alright, guys, today I am very excited. Much like how excited a teenage boy is to lose his virginity. The reason why I'm excited is because I just received this package. Let me just adjust the camera. I just received this package. This package contains something that I've been dying to have, dying to review. Let's go ahead and open it. So, what's in the package? I can't see it yet. I have to remove the bubble wrap. This is so exciting. Oh my god. This must be how every child feels like when they receive a gift that they asked for. I never, sad as it is, I've never experienced that. I always get the same stuff like socks for Christmas, picture frames, things I don't really want. And right now, this is something I've been dying to have and to try for the longest time. And here it is. Take a look. Let me just dim the light a bit. This is the Yongnuo 50mm F1.8N. It is a prime lens. The equivalent of this prime lens for Nokia and Nikon and Canon would be the Nifty 50 or the 50mm lens, and those lenses generate a lot of great pictures, great photographs, especially for photographers, those who want to create great bokeh shots. Bokeh is Japanese, where I forgot, but I don't know what to say. I'm just really excited. The box, pretty straightforward. Comes with, what are these? I don't know what that means. Seals. I don't know what for. I don't really care about that. Here's the manual. So it comes in English. Yes, it does come in English. And this is the actual lens. It's just a lens with a cap. Didn't come with a filter. I was hoping that there'll be at least a UV filter with it. The UV filter is part of a camera lens that you attach at the front part of the camera, so you can protect it from scratches or UV lights. It's based on my study. It's not really about UV protection. That works for film cameras, but for the DSLRs, it doesn't really matter. I just want the actual lens protected. So here it is, sexy as hell. Yongnuo. Later on, I'm gonna try to take photographs and do the video using this 50mm lens. Alright. I'm also gonna try to shoot with my phone for that, so you can see how it works. Okay. But before that, let's see the condition of the lens itself. So yeah, like I said, no filter. This is where you attach your filter. It's a 58mm filter that would fit here. Since we don't have one, let me just remove this protective plastic. You can see the actual aperture blades there. Let's remove the bottom cap so we could play around with it. Okay, I'm gonna remove this as well. So let's try to see if I can play around with the aperture. It comes with two modes, automatic focus and manual focus. So let's see if I can play around with the blades. I don't know how to do it. The videos that I see, the guy's doing it. There you go. See? It's gonna let a lot of light in there. That's gonna help with your bokeh shots. So it looks awesome, feels awesome. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And I'm hoping it's as good as advertised. I've seen a lot of reviews about the product. A lot of people trying it out. They say it's great value for your buck. Well, of course, here in the Philippines, this lens converted to dollars would cost you about 70, 80-ish, 80 bucks. The standard 50mm lenses would cost you about $180 to $200. That's a lot of money, especially for a beginner like me. This is great because I get to practice and learn photography on the cheap. Yeah, and quite honestly, the reviews that I see about this lens is actually very good. It says it can perform as well as the earlier models of the 50s or the 50mm prime lenses. So yeah, I'm gonna pause this video now so I could attach the lens to the camera, and I'm gonna switch on my phone. So stay tuned. Okay, so I switched from my camera to my phone now, so we could go ahead and test the actual lens on this Nikon D3200. It's an entry-level camera. It's not a very impressive camera, but it does the job. As long as you know how to use one of these, you should be fine. Go ahead and remove this lens. This is the kit lens, by the way. I have another one, but it's telephoto, so it's kind of longer and bulkier. It's kind of difficult to carry around. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and attach the Yongnuo 50mm prime lens, and this is for Nikon. They have different mounts for both Nikon and Canon. There we go. Looks great. Looks awesome. Now let's test it. The quality of my phone camera isn't that good. I'm very sorry. Okay. Let's take a photo. Let's try this. I'm gonna take a photo of the kit lens. I'll try to do it manually. Okay, let me switch on automatic. Let's see what happens. It's a 50mm lens, so it's going to need a lot of space. I'm gonna move back for a while, just show you the actual quality once I've taken the photo. I also need to adjust the aperture because it's at 4.5. I want to get a really low aperture. So it goes down to 1.8. I'm gonna try it now. Bokeh-licious. Okay, so let me see if my phone can capture that. I need to do some more testing on the actual camera. I'll switch back to that later on, okay? For now, I'm gonna pause the video. Stay tuned. Alright, so now I want to test the video quality of this lens. And the video quality that I'm gonna get out of these lens. So let me see if it's gonna auto zoom. It's supposed to be an autofocus. I guess it's trying, but I guess I'm too close to the camera for it to zoom any more or less. Let's see. And I have to move back. I don't feel the motor zooming in and out. Let me try something. I guess perhaps I'm too close to my subject. Perhaps it's gonna work better if I'm farther away. So let me try that right now. Is it gonna autofocus on the dragons? I'm not sure. Yeah, it autofocuses on dragons. So awesome. Alright, I love it. I'm loving it right now. Awesome, awesome. Alright, let me just pause the video. So yeah, what can I say? Once again, Juangadget, thank you so much. Thank you. This is an awesome lens. I love it. I honestly love it. I thought I was gonna be disappointed because the more popular brands perform really well. I've tried using my friend's 35mm prime lens, and that's a Nikon, a Nikkor prime lens, and it worked really well. And this absolutely does just as good as a job, if not even better. I think it's even brighter. My lights are off. Let me switch it on. See, it's insane how much light it lets in the lens. So do check them out. This is the Yongnuo 50mm 1.8 prime lens, great for bokeh. And if you can get a prime lens for a fraction of what the other brands cost, hey, why not, man? Check it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you check their shop out. You check this brand out. It's actually very good. Normally I get turned off by Chinese brands, but these guys did a very good job. So again, hope you liked the video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and peace out. Enjoy Christmas. Okay, have a great evening. Goodbye.